Guys, I'm about to go on my first ever motorcycle ride. ਜਿੰਦਰ ਸਾਡਾ ਭਰਾ ਬੈਸਟ ਟੀਚਰ ਕੀ ਰੇਟਿੰਗ ਦੇਣਾ ਮੇਰੀ ਡਰਾਈਵਿੰਗ ਦੀ
5 out of 10
ਚਲੋ ਜਰਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ ਵੀ that felt so good. What is up, you guys? We're attending an Indian wedding today. Look how good everybody's looking.
Yeah.
Spiffy. She's like, yeah. I can't show them my outfit.
दिल उते ना लिखिया तेरा सजना जी नहीं लगदा मेरा दिल उते ना लिखिया तेरा सजना जी नहीं लगदा मेरा हुण तेरे हथ मेरी डोरी एक तारा वचदा वे रांझना नूर महल दी मोरी चल ब्याह करवा लईए रांझना दुनिया कोलों चोरी एक तारा बचदा वे रांझना नूर महल दी मोरी चल ब्याह करवा लईए रांझना दुनिया कोलों चोरी एक तारा बचदा नूर महल दी मोरी चल ब्याह करवा लईए
Time to eat. Good morning, everybody. Another amazing day in Chandigarh. Oh my gosh, it's so sunny. So I'm gonna bring you along with my day here. बढ़िया मैं हाय कर दो
See, I don't really know what it is about you, but I don't really think that I could be without you. Every time you walk by, how you got me staring, hypnotized by your bangles and your gold earrings. Everything about you perfect, angel in disguise. Like how that diamond in your nose compliments your eyes. I don't normally do this, it feels unusual, but I just wanted to tell you I think you're beautiful. Before you misunderstand, please just let me mention, I'm not trying to kick game, that's not my intention. Ain't trying to get your number or take you out on dates. It's just your beauty, something that I can appreciate. Smells so sweet I can taste it. Hey, your ring is connected to your bracelet, and I really like the way that sari wrap around your body. It's the little things that matter, and I gotta say you got me. Yeah, she got me singing like. Yeah, she got me singing like.
So guys, we just entered Rock Garden and we're just wondering how Prav got through, how he got through that little entrance door. He is like 6'5". Suddenly, but I'm only like 5'2", you guys. Good thing इन्होंने French लिखा नहीं था, समझ नहीं आनी सी मैंने कुछ. Psych. Guys, so we're at Oven Fresh now. Really hungry.
चल बहुत गया डांस कर आ गया.
A lot of you guys have been asking me, Nav, how long are you here for? What are you doing here? And I'm here for a little bit longer. I'm actually doing some projects here and I'm really excited for them. Hopefully you guys find out really soon what they are and फिर आप मेहर करें.
यो कर दे.
आगे चीज़ है जी बड़े आओ भाई सड़े हो देख भाई नु ऐसी करता माड़ा जी. I'm scared. Bye bye. So this is pav bhaji and it comes with this thing. It had butter in it. My sister just dropped it in this chutney because we're not gonna eat it. Hai ji Amritsari kulche, right? It's like a paratha type thing. So we thought we'd try like a rava dosa today. It looks really different. Like suji, not rice. Wow. Guys, I just bought 3 heads of cauliflower for 10 rupees. $1 is 51 rupees, so I'm just fucking it. I just can't believe it. This is insane. What is up, you guys? I know a lot of you guys say that I say that way too much. What is up? I should probably change that. But anyways, now we're at the end of my vlog and you guys know it's time to talk. So first of all, I want to say I'm so sorry for taking so long to upload this vlog. To be honest, the thing about vlogging is that I have to experience life before I edit it and post it online, and I only want to post the best, so I don't show you like the parts that are like boring or like the not so interesting part. Literally use my phone's data to upload on YouTube, which takes like 3 nights sometimes. Especially when I was in my village, I did not have any signal. So what I decided to do is post more tips videos or essentials, favorites videos, just so that I'm here and we get to talk a little bit more. So let's actually talk about real issues and real things. So what I have learned in this entire experience is something that I'm so thankful for. I am without my family here, so I've learned to do a lot of things on my own, especially dealing with setbacks and failures, just all on your own. I'm somebody who does not like to be upset. Like, I don't have time to be upset. So my goal right away is how do I feel better? How do I get out of this? You know, like I am just so annoyed when somebody wants to stay in that position, when they want to ponder, when they want to just feel sorry for themselves. Because you know what? Every single day you wake up, you have a chance. You have a chance to be a different person. When something unfortunate happens, you have to keep your goal in mind and think, well, what's my goal? You know, well, my goal is to be happy. My goal is to grow stronger. You apply that to the situation. Like, you do not stay in a low stage for a long time. Do not ponder on what is not helping you, you know, because there is so much left to do. Somebody who's been really inspiring me lately is Gary Vee, and the other day he said something like 3 words: you're gonna die. Do something about it. You have one life. And that just like hit me. I don't have time for bullshit. I don't have time for negativity. I have to constantly grow. If, you know, something didn't turn out the way you wanted, okay, like goodbye. I have shit to do. You have incredible talent and you're here to do something special. I do not want anything that's happened to you to keep you from reaching your goal, to reaching your mission, because we do have only one life. You have one chance. Use your 24 hours towards your goal, towards your mission. Do the things you love. Make yourself happy. Don't stay in a bad place for a long time because you have shit to do. I'm wishing you an incredible, productive day today. Make the hours count today. Make sure you are feeling like this is what I live for. Like, this is my life. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe. The button is down below. I love you guys so much, and I will be here very soon, I promise. Bye. Oi, shit, anybody?